Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in this last video, we covered get mapping, post mapping, delete mapping, but put mapping not yet covered in the previous video. So now we can see the put mapping, how to deal with this put mapping APIs. Okay, let's get started. Yeah, hi guys. So in the last video, we discussed about get, post, and delete. So we didn't discuss anything about the put. Okay. So today we'll see about the put. Okay. So why we are using put annotation, put mapping. So this is the mapping. Okay. So why we are using this put mapping? So if already data is available in the database, so if you want to update that data, so in this case we'll go with the put mapping. So post we are using if you want to insert the new data, we are going with the post, and put we are using existing data if you want to modify something. In this case we are going with the put. Okay. So in this case I want to change city of the employee. Okay, update employee, this is the API, and here I am using, so we need to use the service IMPL. So as of now I not created any method inside that, so first let's create here also. So in the service, to create the service, first we need to define in the service IMPL. Okay, so this return type is a string, and update employee is this one. Okay, so again I'll pass employee as the argument for this. Okay, this is I created in the service. Now we'll do the implementation of that method. So public string update employee employee employee. So this is the overridden method. So it is coming from here. Okay. So in this case, first what we need to do, we need to first find the existing employee. Okay. So for that one, we need to create one separate method in the repository also. So first go to the repository. Here you can write some method. Return type is a string. What is the method we need to write? Find by, I'll search by find by id. So id is the primary key currently we are using into the database. If you see, this is the id. Okay, so we'll identify the employee based on the id or based on the name. You can go with the name also, is there, you can anything you can do. Okay, so you can first you can identify the based on the name is nothing but string, and employee name. Okay, first we're going to identify the employee based on the name. Okay, once employee is identified, then we can update that one. Okay, so for that one what we need to do, so it is returning the string, right? So instead of returning the string, where is that repository, right? So we'll try to get that complete employee object, employee. Okay, so how to do it now? So now we need to call repository employee repository dot find by name. In the name we need to pass the string, so employee dot we need to pass the name from the postman. Okay, with this name it will return the existing employee object. Okay, employee, so it will return the existing employee object. So you can give the meaningful name like existing employee. Okay, so it will give the existing employee object. On this we can set some value. So before that one, if you want, you can do some null check also, like existing employee not equal to something like null, then only you can update existing employee dot set city. So city will get from the employee dot get city. So city I'm going to setting this object in the new employee. Okay, so once you are adding that employee into the city, now we can perform the repository dot, so employee repository. So you can apply that. Now you can try with employee repository dot save, repository dot save of employee. Okay, not save. So what it will do, it will store the employee object. Okay, return statement is missing. So once it is successful, then we'll return the employee updated in database. Okay, see, so this is all. So from the controller you need to call, so service impl dot update employee. You can pass employee we are not passing, right? So here what happened, so I think where method is not defined here. Okay, first we'll create the method. So what is the method? So public string update employee is a method. We need to pass argument as a request body, and we are expecting complete employee object as a argument. Okay, so just we'll create the object. Now we can pass, just creating the method, and we can pass this employee as the argument for this. Okay, and it will return the message either successfully updated or not. This is the method it will return. Okay, so this is all about the put one. Okay, so we'll try to test this one now, and to that first we need to start this application. Starting, and if you see the employee, is there any data in the employee table first? So there is no data, so first we need to insert some data. uh, Now application is up and running 8080. Yeah, it is started. Now go to the postman. Now here is the insert, so I'll insert few details like two objects I'm inserting. So employee added successful. Come here, refresh. So I'll take employee number, employee name is Anand, and we'll see, we'll update the city for him. For currently city is Bangalore, and we'll update that. Okay, so we need to create separate API for this. So duplicate. Now what is the API here is update employee. So here API dot. So we need to just copy that API name. Update employee is the API. Okay, come to the body. So here I'll instead of Bangalore, I'll give something like Hyderabad. Okay, so this is the employee name. The city should be changed to that Hyderabad. Okay, this is the API. So this API is nothing but put. Okay, so we are changing that one and save this. So if you see the put and hit this one and see employee updated in the DB, come to the database, just you can refresh. See, data is created with that employee is Hyderabad. Okay, two employees are there with that. Okay. Okay, that's it regarding to that put. If you have any doubts on the put mapping, just comment in the comment box. I'll give the clarification on this. Okay, this is all about the put mapping. So we covered get mapping, post mapping, delete mapping, and put mapping. Okay, these are the most of the time we'll use them in real-time applications. These are the APIs. In the coming videos, we'll see how to add the exception handling on this video. Okay, we'll see. So this is all about that APIs. For APIs, put, delete, post, get. So these are all the mappings. Okay. So also we can do some enhancements on this also. We'll see in the further videos.